Hi guys, so today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you create YouTube shorts on your PC. So firstly what you have to do is you first record a video, so you can use your webcam to record a video, or you can just go live and just record something that you want to upload as shorts, so record that. Or if you have already saved a video, you have already got a video on your PC that you wish to upload it as a short, then that's also fine. So just two things just you need to keep in mind while uploading as shorts is that you have to make sure that your video ratio is in 16 by 9 ratio, so that's the standard ratio for shorts that you need. And also it should be duration should be less than 60 seconds. All right, so you need to meet these two criterias in order for YouTube to recognize your video as a shorts. All right, so what you can do now is, so log into your YouTube, so your YouTube account, so just log in. Once you have logged in, so just go to the create button here, like how we normally upload a video. So just the same process, click on upload video. All right, so what you can do now is you can either choose the video that you can choose the video that you just created, or that you have already saved. So just choose that. All right, so and select that. So what you have to do now, so once that's being processed, so all you have to do now here is, all right, so you have to do now here is just type in the title and everything. So whatever title do you want, and your description and all other information that you need, and then all you have to do is just proceed and upload it. So YouTube by default will recognize this as a short and upload it as a short, just as long as you have it, as long as the duration and the ratio is met. So other than that, that's fine. So if you see here, so you can just put any title here. So what happens here, once YouTube has processed it, you can see that if you just want to double check under the video link here, you will see that the YouTube, the link has mentioned here as shorts. So youtube.com/shorts, you will see the word shorts. So this confirms that your video will be uploaded as shorts. So that's how it is. So you can just go ahead, click next, and then just upload your video like how you normally upload a video. So this video will be uploaded as shorts. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.